So we are going to see about the carbohydrate. In carbohydrate, in previous lecture we have seen about different types of carbohydrates: monosaccharide, disaccharide and polysaccharide. So now in today's lecture we are going to see about the details about the monosaccharide. So monosaccharide means what? The monosaccharides are, these are the simplest carbohydrate, or these are the actually simplest sugar who are crystalline, and these are sweet in taste. Apart from that, they are soluble in water, and these molecules, they cannot hydrolyze into further simpler unit. That's why we called it as a monosaccharide. So it is a single unit, and further hydrolysis of this glucose molecule, there is no formation of any simpler form than this monosaccharide. That's why we called it as a monosaccharide. So here these monosaccharides are the building blocks, or we can say the monomers of complex called carbohydrate, or the polysaccharides. And the general formula for this simple sugar, or we called it as a monosaccharide, is CnCH2O outside the bracket N. So this is the formula for that monosaccharide, where N is the number of carbon. It may be 3, it may be 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. and so on. So which is having the 3 carbon, we call it as a triose. 4 carbons, when 4 carbons are there, it is called as tetrose. If 5 carbons are there, then it is called as pentose. If 6 carbons are there, then it is called as hexose, and 7 carbons are there, then it is called as heptose. So different examples we have seen in previous video. So here basically monosaccharides, which is containing the aldehyde group, we called it as a aldose sugar. जे कार्बोहायड्रेट्स असतात, ज्या कार्बोहायड्रेट्स मध्ये अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप आहे त्यांना आपण अल्डोज शुगर म्हणतो, आणि जे कार्बोहायड्रेट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये कीटो ग्रुप आहे त्याला आपण कीटोज शुगर असं म्हणतो. तर याच्यामध्ये अल्डोज शुगर जे आहेत, वी कॉल्ड इट एज अल्डोजेस. त्याचं एक्झाम्पल आहे ग्लुकोज आहे, झायलोज आहे, आणि दुसरा जो कीटोज शुगर आहे, द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ कीटोज शुगर is ribulose and fructose. These are the examples for that. So now we are going to see the 3 examples here. So one is the glucose. So glucose is actually, it is considered as a fuel for human body, because whenever there is a energy requirement, the glucose is broken down and to release the energy. And this glucose, its concentration in human blood is near about 90 milligram per 100 ml, and this is small molecule, this is water soluble, this is sweet in taste, and its molecular size is less. That's why it can easily pass through the cell membrane. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी ग्लुकोज जो आहे, तो ग्लुकोज मॉलिक्यूल जो आहे तो छोटा मॉलिक्यूल आहे. आता तो छोटा मॉलिक्यूल असल्यामुळे काय होतं, तो इझिली त्या मेम्ब्रेनमधून पास होऊ शकतो. अँड energy released when this glucose molecule is metabolized inside the cell. जेव्हा तो glucose molecule सेलच्या आतमध्ये जातो. Actually when we consume the food, if any carbohydrate material is there which is digested into the intestine, and after that the glucose molecule can absorb into the blood, and from blood it will enter into the cell, and after entering into the cell, जेव्हा तो सेलच्या आतमध्ये येईल तेव्हा तो ग्लुकोज मॉलिक्यूल आहे, that glucose molecule is hydrolyzed to release the energy. So this is about the glucose. And second one, that is galactose. So galactose is actually, it is a monosaccharide which is formed by the hydrolysis of lactose. Lactose is a milk sugar. Lactose हे एक प्रकारचं milk sugar आहे. And there are 2 different forms of galactose. लॅक्टोज ॲक्च्युअली 2 फॉर्म आहे, अल्फा आणि बीटा, ज्याच्यामध्ये अल्फा गॅलॅक्टोज आहे, अल्फा ग्लुकोज पासून तयार झाला आहे. सो ग्लुकोज अँड गॅलॅक्टोज कंबाईन टू फॉर्म लॅक्टोज. बट द गॅलॅक्टोज मॉलिक्यूल, ग्लुकोज अँड गॅलॅक्टोज आर नॉट इझिली कन्व्हर्टेबल. ते एकमेकाला इंटर कन्व्हर्ट होऊ शकत नाही, ते कन्व्हर्ट होऊ शकत नाही. अँड गॅलॅक्टोज कॅनॉट प्ले अ सिग्निफिकंट रोल इन मेटाबॉलिझम. म्हणजे रेस्पिरेशनमध्ये जर तुम्ही बघायला गेलं की ग्लुकोज जशा पद्धतीने मेटाबॉलिझममध्ये हायड्रोलाइज होतो, तसं गॅलॅक्टोजचा वापर त्यामध्ये होऊ शकत नाही. सो दिस इज द गॅलॅक्टोज, दिस इज द अनदर एक्झाम्पल ऑफ द मोनोसॅकराइड. अँड थर्ड वन इज द फ्रुक्टोज. सो व्हॉट इज फ्रुक्टोज? Fructose is actually it is a fruit sugar. It is a monosaccharide which is actually formed by the hydrolysis of sucrose. Sucrose is hydrolyzed into glucose and fructose. Sucrose जेव्हा hydrolysis होतं तेव्हा त्याच्यामध्ये ग्लुकोज आणि फ्रुक्टोज तयार होतो. So this fructose is actually it is a fruit sugar. We call it as a fruit sugar, and it is a ketohexose sugar. Hexose means having 6 carbon atoms. हा जो फ्रुक्टोज मॉलिक्यूल आहे त्या फ्रुक्टोज मॉलिक्यूलमध्ये 6 कार्बन ॲटम्स आहेत. अँड दॅट्स वाय दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज कीटोहेक्झोज, बिकॉज इट इज हॅव्हिंग कीटोज ग्रुप. त्याच्यामध्ये कीटो ग्रुप आहे, कीटोन ग्रुप आहे, त्यामुळे आपण त्याला त्या ठिकाणी कीटोहेक्झोज असं म्हटलेलं आहे. आणि हे जे हे ॲक्च्युली तुम्हाला माहिती सांगितलं की सुक्रोज जो आहे, glucose and fructose combine to form sucrose. So sucrose hydrolyzed to form glucose and fructose. So this fructose is one of the monosaccharide. So like this, these are the 3 different examples that we have seen here. So one is the glucose, second one is the galactose, and third one is the fructose. So if you see the structure of fructose or glucose, actually it is 6 carbon atom, but it is 5 carbon ring structure rather than 6 carbon ring structure like benzene. So here I have drawn one diagram here, one structure is here. So this is the structure for glucose. So here you can see there, this is the first carbon, this is second carbon, this is third carbon, this is fourth carbon, this is fifth carbon, this is sixth carbon. So this molecule has 6 carbon. So glucose molecule has 6 carbon, first, second, third, fourth and fifth carbon. And here you can see here hydrogen, here OH, here H atom is there, here OH atom is there, OH hydroxyl group is here, H is there, here H is there, here OH is there, here CH2 OH. So this is the structure of the glucose. And glucose and fructose, these are the isomers of each other, and glucose and fructose combine to form sucrose, that we will see in the disaccharide, which is the second type of the carbohydrate. So this is about the monosaccharide. Thank you.